Okay, Dreadhead, like I said, why did you delete your profile 10 minutes ago? What do you have to hide, Dreadhead?
Oh, she should leave. Make it look like I belong to her email, dog. This bitch is a loser. You got no live in. I know who has pictures of people in their phone. That's disgusting right there. Yo,
okay, while you're running your cocksucker, Dreadhead, why don't you say hi to YouTube too?
Yo, dog, listen. That fake picture she gotta be, dog. Google so pound, the niggas gonna pop up. See what I mean? Google that shit, dog. What you want me to do? Bro, listen. Yo, dog, Google. Hello, that sad dude. She said it was me. Google so pound, and she gonna pop up, dog. Oh, she just took it from Zump. Yeah. She took it.
No, Dreadhead, you fucking deleted the fucking account. Hold on, let's record you again. So we're gonna go back in there, and apparently I got muted. So let's go see if we can get that answer. Because we know Dreadhead is not gonna answer the question. He's gonna hide and run like the little scandalous little bitch that he is. Running up with his lies, with his bullshit, and his drama, because he ain't nothing else but drama. Talking about he hates Mexicans and he hates this. So why does he keep coming and looking for me? Why is my name all up in his mouth? Can y'all answer me that question? I want to allow y'all to leave comments on this fucking YouTube video. And as I continue trying to get back into that 815 chat line, you're going to see that he really ain't got nothing to say to me, really. I mean, it's nothing but bullshit and drama. He has a million excuses as to why. Skittles stole the picture from a website. Okay, so I now apparently stole the picture from a website. But why would I steal a picture off a website when I was on your Facebook? And mysteriously, your Facebook disappeared. Why, Dreadhead? What do you gotta hide? Oh yeah, that's true that you're a fat fucker. Aww. He updated it again? Yeah, I know he disabled it. But let me prove that to everybody. Here, lend it to me. Oh, it's charging.
Yeah. Like a writer wearing a phone. See skills of thing, like you
hey, bitches, while you're running your cocksucker, why don't you say hi to YouTube, motherfuckers?
Put up a fake picture about Dred Head. Somebody Google's hotel and that fat boy.
No, Dreadhead, you actually deactivated the account. Next fucking live, bitch.
Anyway.
And you cannot block me because you don't know my account. You don't even know my real name. So how can you block me, bitch?
I got a Bowflex in my room.
So tell everybody on YouTube, Dreadhead, what are you hiding from?
Hey, somebody said their video is insanity. Somebody said that 90 days. Hey, somebody said that video Zoom on.
Actually, no, I'm not mad. I'm recording you on YouTube, making sure that they can hear my voice. As well as yours.
Hey, nobody want to hear your fat ass voice. My 5G, large fries, 2 orders large fries. Let me get hey, Skittles, you recorded this, Skittles?
You're being recorded right now on YouTube.
I give a shout out to all my people in West Slow, Texas, hold it down for West Slow, Texas, 13, how we hold this shit down. You know how we all my people make out to give a shout out to the North Carolina. You want the big dollars, want the 5 double cheeseburgers and 2 all-order. You wanted that shit to be done,
Dreadhead, why did you deactivate the account, Dreadhead? Answer my question. Why are you hiding? Why did you deactivate the account? But remember, I didn't have it and it was fake. So tell me again why?
You know what I'm saying? Like real shit. Yo, I want to give a shout out to Kingsville.
Come on, Dreadhead, give me your excuse again. So everybody on YouTube can hear your excuse.
Hey, serious about the both legs. I do got one in my room.
You are being recorded, but Dred Head doesn't want to give me his excuse again.
And who told me to shut up? I can choke you on the recorders. Bitch, I will choke you. I will come over there. I'm like, take my whole and I'll shut up. You look like Manny Pacquiao.
Okay, well, as y'all can tell, Dred Head is not going to give me a response. He's going to come up with his lies and his repetitive bullshit. But, oh, fucking well, we all know that he's a bitch. Anyways, until then, a ratos.